Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi ladies and gentlemen, I'm Muhammad Randa, one of the finalists Mr. Tourism West Sumatra 2021. So in this video, I would like to deliver my speech about tourism. The title is Storynomic Tourism, New Style Promotes Tourism. Well, ladies and gentlemen, as we know, the impact of COVID-19 pandemic has been felt in various sectors, including the tourism sector and creative economy. Various ways have been done to restore the activity of tourism sector and creative economy, one of which is by the developing storynomic tourism. Ladies and gentlemen, did you know before what is storynomic tourism? Storynomic tourism is a tourism approach that puts forward narrative, creative content, living culture, and cultural strength as destination DNA. In other words, that storynomic tourism is to package the beauty of Indonesia's charm, its interesting story, so that it becomes an attraction for foreign tourists visiting Indonesia. Each tourist destination in Indonesia has been different historical, geological, and geographic heritage. This uniqueness will be an added value in promoting through storynomic tourism. Well, ladies and gentlemen, storynomic tourism scheme was introduced first by Evan Wahid as the coordinator of quick win team of 5 super priority tourism destinations in Indonesia. It is hoped that storynomic tourism will become a new style in the promotion of the tourism and creative economy that can attract tourists. Because impact of this pandemic, foreign tourists decrease visit to Indonesia. Ladies and gentlemen, according to data from the Central Statistics Agency, there has been a very drastic decrease foreign tourist arrival in Indonesia. In January of 2021, the decline reached 89.5% compared to January of 2020. In other words, in January of 2020, there were 1.29 million visits. But in January of 2021, there were only 141,216 foreign tourists. So, ladies and gentlemen, we hopefully that storynomic tourism will help introduce Indonesian tourist attraction through a variety of interesting and creative content. And then, rising interesting stories from the region in Indonesia is useful for introducing various kinds of unique culture of each region. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's all my speech about tourism, exactly storynomic tourism. I do apologize about my mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam pariwisata.